we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Taiquinix 2024 upgraded, wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. That's include plug and play, lightweight and portable. The wireless HDMI is prepared and ready to use upon purchase, requiring no drivers, apps, or network connection. It's lightweight and portable, eliminating the need for bulky wired cables. Perfect for outdoor business presentations, conference rooms, home entertainment, and multimedia education, providing convenience and efficiency. Dual antenna design, long range, no lag, and strong compatibility. This wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver with dual antenna design offers a transmission distance of up to 330 feet/100 meters. It features a built-in high-performance chip for enhanced compatibility, utilizing both 2.4G and 5G dual-band transmission protocols. This ensures strong anti-interference capability and high signal stability, eliminating issues like flickering, black screens, and delays. Note: transmission distance may be shortened when facing obstacles like walls, floors, and ceilings. Closed spaces between floors may not allow signal transmission. 1080p at 60 Hz Full HD with no lag or tearing. The wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver support Full HD 1080p at 60 Hz input/output resolution, uncompressed audio-video synchronization, automatic encoding, and transmission and decoding that preserve audio-video quality. It also supports the full RGB 4x4x4 color gamut, and there's no compression or artifacts. Dual mode flexibility. This device offers two modes, mirroring and extending, allowing you to choose flexibly between them. In mirroring mode, the audio and video content from the source device is replicated on the target screen, providing an identical viewing experience. On the other hand, the extending mode expands your workspace by enabling you to display different content on each screen, thus enhancing your efficiency and multitasking capabilities. Please note the direction of use. Connect the TX, transmitter, to the signal source, and the RX, receiver, to the display device. This device is widely applicable in business meetings, large conferences, teaching, home theaters, live camera streaming, sports broadcasting, and photography work. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.